So I'm currently out camping and I thought it would be kind of fun to try an MRE. Now an MRE stands for meal ready to eat. This is my very first time. This one is menu number 19, beef patty with jalapeno pepper jack. So let's go ahead and give it a look. It's 140 calories, 14 grams of protein. This is a very long line of ingredients. Get everything out and see what we need to do here. It says beef patty, jalapeno pepper jack. Then we've got some smoked almonds. It's 110 calories. We've got some baked snack crackers, cheddar cheese. It's a tropical punch. It's 130 calories, 33 grams of carbohydrates. The first ingredient is sugar. So I'm guessing this is just pure energy. Plain tortillas. And then here we've got some marble pound cake, and it's 300 calories. Wow. Then we got 41 grams of carbohydrates. Oh, we got some mayonnaise. Got the spoon, some Reese's Pieces. And this is a heater. This is a lighthouse. Got some matches. We got a moist towelette. I got some salt, pieces of gum. The heating element is supposed to be underneath the MRE. Okay, we're gonna put some water in. Gonna get the water kind of, and then we're gonna stick this in the pouch. Now we're gonna go put this and kind of prop it up. See how this turns out. While our beef patty is warming up, I'm going to get the tropical beverage made. Now I've heard that it mixes better with hot water, so we'll just go ahead and try hot water. It's bright red. It smells extremely fruity, sort of like cherry. Doesn't feel warm at all. It's a little gelatinous. It definitely smells like jalapeno. Now I'm not sure what I did wrong. I don't know why the beef patty didn't get warm. So if you know, let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested to figure out how I can make this better next time. I'm gonna put this patty over my hot beverage and see if that maybe warms it up a little bit. Feels like the top is getting warm because I just flipped this over. Help it. Those are pretty cold over the top and kind of warm it up. Let's see if we can get that warmed up. And I assume the mayonnaise is for the beef patty sandwich we're making. Hey, it warmed up a little bit from that. This is the beef patty. It's got little grill marks on it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and slice it in half. I'm not sure if my knife is clean or not, but we'll just go ahead and give it a go. Looks like ultra processed meat. They have a lot of tear things, but nothing really tears easily. I guess we're just gonna roll it up like a little taco. I'm surprised they didn't give us any hot sauce. But then I suppose that the thing has a lot of sauce on it. Let's go ahead and give this a little try for the first time. It doesn't look very good, but it actually tastes pretty good. It's highly processed. It's got like a kind of a jelly consistency of a sauce. The patty is super dense. It tastes like jalapenos, and it's actually not bad. I'm kind of surprised. Let's try this punch. Now it's been sitting for a while. It's still warm, but I'm hoping it'll kind of cool off. You know, the first ingredient is sugar, and you can taste that, but it's really good. It doesn't taste overly sweet. I mean, it's sweet, but it's not like sickly sweet. And it tastes like cherry, and it's actually pretty good. Let's go ahead and open up these crackers that are cheddar cheese flavored. I thought they would be like a little Cheez-It. They're all kind of in pieces. I'm pretty sure these are Cheez-Its. I think if this was a little warmer, it would taste way better. It still tastes pretty good though. These taste exactly like Cheez-Its, so I wouldn't be surprised if they were, but I would assume they would disclose that they were. So I don't see a year on any of these packages, but I do see codes like 23, 22. So I'll have to do some research to see if that means anything. This one says 2314. So if I find out what they mean, I will put them on the screen. Let's go ahead and open the smoked almonds. These taste exactly like you expect them to taste. They're crunchy without feeling like they're stale, because they're not stale. They have a very nice smoky flavor, sort of like the ones that you get at the gas station, but they're not as salty. So I like that. Okay, let's try this marble pound cake. It's interesting. Let's give it a little taste. That was really good. It's got good flavor. It's got a good marbling. Let's see if it's dry. Just a tad dry, but if it was heated up, it'd probably not feel as dry. It's got a good flavor. I like it. It's got a pretty good consistency. It's somewhat dense. It's not airy. It's actually really good. I really like it. It's not so dry that you feel like you need to drink something after every bite. It's not that kind of dry. It's just, it needs to be woken up a little bit with a little bit of heat, I think. But it would be really good with a nice cup of coffee. Okay, let's try out these Reese's Pieces. Not bad. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would rate this probably a 7, maybe a 6. The beef patty was good, but it probably would have been way better if it was warm. The almonds were excellent. The Cheez-Its, kind of an odd choice for the meal, but maybe that's just for a snack. The fruit punch is really good, but I'm not a fan of drinking my calories and my sugar, so I wouldn't want that normally. It tasted pretty good. Overall, it was a good meal. I'm not sure what I did wrong with reheating the beef patty, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. So let me go ahead and try the gum. Guessing it's a little mint gum. That's nice gum. It's very minty, easy to chew. It's not hard at all. So this was kind of fun. It was a nice little experiment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these, let me know in the comments. Thanks.